Hello everyone. Today we are going to be playing... Oh, I don't actually remember the name. I'm sure it'll tell us. This is another demo. I believe it's Animal Rescue Simulator. So let's go ahead. Oh yep, Animal Shelter Simulator. This is the demo. And it looked really cute. So I wanted to give it a try. We are going to be choosing a dog today, and then tomorrow we'll choose a cat. It's that's a very cute loading screen. Oh, well, it says completed. Do I need to click? Nope, it's loading. I hope it doesn't crash. I still hear the music. Oh, yep, here we go. Hi! Welcome. In this demo, you'll be able to do many things and meet our cute animals. Heal animals, play with them, wash them, take care of them, buy stuff, and find them a good home. WASD and the mouse to move. Alright. Ooh. I can't tell if I'm lagging or not. I feel like I am. Oh, I definitely am. Video? Okay, yeah, no VSync. VSync hacks everything up. We don't want any of that. Okay, yeah, that is much better. Okay, maybe we go in here. Open. Enclosure is a place where you can release your animals to let them run, walk, or spend time together. Let's look at this. This isn't... You know, it's not huge, but we've got a budget clinic going on, so it's better than nothing. I don't know what that means. Kennels separated for dogs and cats. It's a place where you can put your animals to let them rest a little. It is their personal space. Hi, handsome. Handsome boy. I'm assuming you're a boy. Pat. All of the love-ins. Oh, I actually moved my mouse. I already like this game. Give you head scratches. All dogs love head scratches and butt scratches. All of the scratches. All of the loves for you. Yes, wag that tail. I love you. Alright, Hi! Look at you, cute thing. Okay, pick up. Am I supposed to put the dog in the washing area? Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it, handsome boy. We're gonna go get you all nice and clean. I'm not going to put you in the washing machine. That's rude. Here you go. Take the sponge and use it to wipe down the dog. Before doing anything, make sure to put the animal in a proper place. After that, take a sponge and place it on the animal, then move gently along the fur, which will last until the circle is filled. Okay. Pour shampoo before washing. That's a noise. Look at all the bubbles! Gotta clean that tail of yours. I honestly just thought you were a brown dog. Oh! I'm trying to go to the other side of you. There we go. That was a little bit wonky, but that's okay. I need to clean your face. Make sure to not get your eyeballs though. And your legs. Look at you, you're all clean now. Oh. Drench with garden hose. I don't know how to put this down. Pick up. Alright. The bubbles. We want none of them. No bubbles. Watch your face. Look at you, you're so beautiful. Yes, you look as happy as I feel. Wait, what was that? Could I put this away proper like? Nope. Let's put the sponge away proper like though. Oh, maybe that's the shampoo I was supposed to use. Take the sponge, put the sponge down, dry the dog off using the dryer. Okay. Handsomest boy. Look at you getting all dry. Gotta be real quick on the ears so that we don't damage them. There you go. It's home. Only one animal is allowed per cage. Now you were the goodest boy. If I could give you treats for being so good while I groomed you, I would. In the paddling pool, try to put an animal somewhere else. That sounds like a trick. Excuse me. Here you go, honey. Must eat and drink. Let's do a little shopping by using the computer. Okay, I'm gonna leave this open so that if you want, you can go in there. I don't see any reason not to leave it open. There's no one else. Did that automatically close your door? Ah, this game. Heck. What is this? This doesn't look like a computer. Oh, that's inside. Okay. In we go. Look at my nice office. With a cup of coffee. Give me that. Glub, 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 glub. Alright, we'll put that back since I can't actually drink it. It's probably cold. Okay. Buy food and buy a water bottle. Shop? Oh, wait, this is the tutorial. I don't want the tutorial. Animals in shelter, pets, gallery. Maybe I did want the tutorial. Shop. Food. We want a food kit. Add to cart. And a water bottle. And make order. Thank you. However, remember that you can only have one active item in your hand. The rest of them can easily be stored in your inventory. Tab opens the inventory. To drop an item, press and hold the right mouse button. Okay, so I'm assuming both of these are in my inventory? No? Where do they appear at? Wait for a drone with your purchases. Is that the drone? Where's it gonna drop it at? Oh, that's convenient. Excuse me. What's in here? Delivery. Open. Nothing. Also nothing. Makes sense. I got a broom though. Anything else in here? No? Well, that's a quaint little office. Hours 8 to 2. 9, 10, 11. Oh, 8 to 20. Okay, 8 to 20 makes a lot more sense. I was like, what kind of shelter's only open for like 6 hours? Water bottle. No, not Q. Tab. Very nice. Okay, let's go. Hello, honey. I've brought you food and water. Yummy, yummy. Look at that full bowl of food. Nope, keep pressing Q. Put that here. I want the water bottle. Yeah, that's how I eat my food too, buddy. The pet needs must be met systematically. Wait until the pet's food and water. Pet the dog. Take the ball and use it to play with the dog. What ball? Where's the ball? And we've got a mop and a broom. Available in full version. Well, I guess we're gonna start by petting the dog. No, we're not. We're gonna let him drink his water first. He's happy. Hi, honey. Pat, pat. All of the scratches. All of the scratches for you. Alright, now where's the ball at? Oh, it just magically dropped it for me. Press right mouse button to take a ball for a dog or a laser for a cat. Throw the ball by pressing left mouse button. Come here. I don't know why they keep closing your door. We're gonna come play. There you go, honey. Look, I've got a ball. Play. Play with me. My dog is ready for adoption. I need to take a photo of the dog. Yes! Go get it. Oh my gosh, good boy. Okay, one more time. Hiya. Oh my goodness, look at you. You're so good. I love you. Pats for the doggo. Okay, you just enjoy yourself. I'll be back. I'm gonna find you a good home. Use the computer to buy a camera, and then wait for the camera. See, I'm getting the hang of this. I know what's going on. Other camera. And then we will make this order. Thank you. Now let's go outside and see if we can't watch the drone. Where does it come from? Where will it go? Oh, look at that. Oh, that is so fast. Is this the future? Is this convenience? Taking photos. Press left mouse button. Then left mouse button again. I can do that. Oh, I've been pressing E and it's been working. I didn't even notice that. Handsome boy. That's a good picture. Oh, now you're sitting down. Hold on. I'm coming. Gotta get the lighting good. How do I put the camera away? Oh, okay, that worked. Pick up picture. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a good picture. And scan it by using the scanner. Okay, let's go. I'm learning a lot of things this game isn't telling me, like the fact that I can sprint. Scan that, please and thank you. To create an ad, use the computer, choose animals in shelter. More info, find a new home, upload photo. Gold soul for everyone who loves to play with animals. Full of energy, always ready for any activity and so cuddly. You won't regret. Besides whom would after petting such a lovely... Oh, I get it. I understand. Find a new home. I love you. Wait until answer the email. Okay, go to the email section. Hayden Swift. I saw your advertisement. I want the pet to be happy and healthy, not aggressive. I hope the nature of the animal is similar to my preferences. That's a very business-like message. Sure. I guess. Mr. Hayden, or Miss Hayden. Is that a dinosaur over there? What's going on over here? Full demo, dog cages. Yep. Full, only. We've got our cat run over here. I'm not waiting more oh! Jeez. Okay then. See, I don't feel confident letting you go to them, handsome boy, but you know what? I guess this is my job, to give you to people who don't drive responsibly. Oh, I didn't mean to let you down. Now you be a good boy and teach them to drive better. You know, this looks like I'm giving you away to a villain. Goodbye, I'll miss you, I love you. The animal is happy. Good. As long as the animal is happy, that's all that matters. All missions completed. Okay. Play again with cat. Now let's just see what's different with the cat real quick. I'm assuming the ending is the same. Click here to close. Cat run. Yep, we know all that already. We know that too. Hi. Pats for cats. Oh, look at you. You are such a snuggly thing. I would adopt you right away if I could. Yeah. Okay. We're taking you to the clinic. Oh, wrong button. Where's the clinic? Over here. Well, it makes sense that we don't just wash you. Alright. Now, be good. Be goodest. Need tweezer. Where are the tweezers? Oh. Pick up. Take tweezers, then gently catch the tick by its body. By following the direction of the arrow. Okay. The tick, grab it with the tweezers and pull out. Where is it? I don't even know what I did. Apparently, I dropped the tick into the metal bowl and put the tweezers down. What am I doing? I'm just gonna poke you a lot. Oh, I found it. Direction of the arrow. Okay. Yep. Its own cage. Put the tick in there. Alright. Beautiful, wonderful thing. Put you back in your cage now that you're all tick free. Because ticks are awful things. And in you go. Like any, okay, yep, gotta eat and drink. Let's go buy our food and water. See, I'm wondering if everything's not the same from this point. see you guys in a minute. We'll see what's different. Okay. Did all the same stuff. Fed it. Loved it. Alright. Press the right mouse button to take the laser for the cat. For a cat, start moving the laser beam and watch him chase it. Play. Oh, look at you go. You'll get it eventually, darling. I believe in you. Your cat is ready for adoption. Yeah, I would have made that sad noise too if your playtime was cut short by a pop-up. Look at you go. You got it. You did it. Pats for cats. And you're so happy. Alright, let's get you adopted. Need to buy a camera. I tried to buy the camera earlier when I was there already, but it did not want me to do that. Okay, here we go. Wonderful lady, lovely. That's a good picture. I don't even think we need to do another one. I do need to mine. Hold on. Heck that camera. I love you. We're gonna go get you a good family that likes cats. And doesn't have any stinky dogs. Excuse me. Excuse me. Scanner. Yes. Yes, do the thing. More info. Oh. Find a new home. Exactly the same. Thank you for posting your ad. We already got an email. Yeah, it's the exact same thing, basically. For our sake, we are not going to watch them pull up. We're just gonna go play with the lovely kitty and be pleasantly surprised when they pull up like a normal person to get their cat. Pats for cats. I will always love you. Please don't forget me. Look at that face. Yeah. Alright. Your new home. Yeah, it's the exact same person. Put in carrier. Goodbye, miss you. Alright. The animal is happy. And look at them, they took it out to the park. Good. We did it. Alright. Well, that was this one, which I actually really like. I hope that there's a little bit more in the full game. I'm sure there will be. But I have a lot of fun with games like this. I didn't really understand what to do with the tick though. But yeah, this one is free on Steam still. The demo is. So I will add a link to their Discord and their Steam in the description of the video, and I hope you guys go check it out. I hope you like it as much as I do. But for now, goodbye everyone, and have a good day. I hope that your furry friends are healthy and happy as well. Goodbye.